Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can undo changes. Create a system restore point and backup critical files to an external drive or cloud. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator. This gives you the permissions needed to repair system files and disks. While you have elevated access, note the target drive letter and any affected folders. Once done, keep the admin window open and proceed. You will run repair commands and diagnostics from here, so preparation is not skipped. Now you perform the core repairs. Run chkdsk with /f and /r on the drive, producing the error to fix bad sectors and file system metadata. After chkdsk completes and the machine restarts if required, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair Windows image corruption. Once dism finishes, run sfc/scano to replace damaged system files. These tools work together. chkdsk fixes disk level problems, dism repair. Finish by restarting Windows and reproducing the original task to confirm the parameter is incorrect, error is resolved. If it recurs, open Event Viewer and filter for relevant error, ID and timestamps. That gives clues about drivers or services involved. As a next step, roll back or uninstall recently added drivers and reinstall the failing application. If none of this works, restore the system point you created and contact support with Event Viewer logs. This preserves your system while you escalate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.